Today, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable PDF to Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you want to share resources, guides, or documents with your website visitors, giving them the option to download and save files directly from your site. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to add the downloadable PDF file. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button opens up the visual editor where you can make changes to your pages and content. Once the editor loads, go ahead and click Edit to start making modifications to your page. For this tutorial, let's say you already have a text block and a button on your page that you want to link to your PDF file. These elements will serve as the clickable areas that visitors can use to access your document. First, click on the text block to select it, then highlight the specific text you want to turn into a link. After highlighting the text, click on the link icon that appears in the toolbar. This opens up the linking options. Next, click on URL to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select File. This is the option that allows you to link directly to downloadable files rather than web pages. Once you select File, you'll have the choice to either upload a new file or choose from files you've already uploaded to your Squarespace library. In this case, let's select the PDF from the uploaded files to keep things organized and avoid duplicate uploads. Now it's time to repeat this process for the button. Click on the button element to select it, then click the link icon just like you did with the text. Click on URL, again, select File from the drop-down menu, and then choose your PDF file from the library. This ensures both the text and the button will link to the same downloadable document, giving your visitors multiple ways to access it. Once you've finished setting up both links, click Save to confirm your changes. Then click Exit to leave the editor and return to your main dashboard. Your changes are now live on your site. To test everything, try clicking on either the text or the button you just linked. A new tab should open displaying your PDF file. You'll notice there's a download icon at the top of the PDF viewer, which allows visitors to download the file directly to their device. And that's it. You've successfully added a downloadable PDF to your Squarespace site, making it easy for visitors to access and save your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.